Good morning to all. Welcome back to Google Classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Students, today we are going to discuss about minors and cofactors of a matrix. Listen, in this video we are going to discuss about how to find minors and cofactors of any given matrix. Let's see this question. Find minors and cofactors of all the elements of the determinant. Determinant 1, minus 2, 4, 3. Listen, this is a 2 by 2 matrix and we have to find minors of this 2 by 2 determinant. Okay. Listen, first we have to see minor of the first row, first element, that is A11. So minor of A11 can be denoted by capital M11. So we have the determinant 1, minus 2, 4, 3. So A11 means first row, first column. So just eliminate first row, first column elements. So only 3 left there. So minor of A11 is equal to 3. Okay. Now minor of A12. Minor of A12 means first row, second element. That is first row, second column element. It is denoted by capital M12. So in the determinant, eliminate first row, second column. So 4 is left and therefore minor of A12 is equal to 4. Now minor of A21. A21 means second row, first column. So eliminate second row, first column and therefore minor of A21 is equal to minus 2. Finally, minor of A22. A22 means second row, second column element. So eliminate second row, second column and therefore minor of A22 is equal to 1. So minor of A11 3, minor of A12 4, minor of A21 minus 2 and minor of A22 is equal to 1. So in this manner we can easily find minors of each and every element in the determinant. Okay. Using these minors, next we have to write cofactors. Listen. Cofactor of any element Aij, look at the box, is obtained by minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij. Mij means minus. Cofactors are denoted by capital Aij. The first cofactor of element A11. Cofactor of A11 is obtained by minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1. Okay, 1 plus 1 into minor of the element A11. That is minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 capital M11. See here minor is already obtained. Minor is 3. So minus 1 whole square into 3, that is 3. So cofactor of the first element capital A11 gives 3. Now listen, cofactor of the second element A12. Listen, the suffix is 1, 2. So write minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 into minor of A12. Minor of A12 is 4 and therefore minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2. That is minus 1 into 4 gives minus 4. Okay. Next, cofactor of A21. So cofactor of A21 is denoted by capital A21 and it is obtained by minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 M21. Minor is minus 2. So minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1, that is minus 1 raised to 3. Minus 1 raised to 3 is minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 2 gives 2. And finally cofactor of A22. Cofactor of A22 is obtained by minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 into minor of A22. Minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 gives 4. That is 1 into 1 gives 1. So cofactors of A11, A12, A21, A22 are 3, minus 4, 2, 1 respectively. Okay. So this is an example for finding minors and cofactors of any 2 by 2 determinant. Okay.